Typically in Zen, hands are kept in a Zen mudra. You may know it also as the cosmic mudra or the dhyana mudra. Place one hand just below your navel, palm facing up, and the other one on top of it. Bring the thumbs to touch slightly, barely touching, as if you could hold a butterfly without crushing it. Now there are still ongoing discussions whether to put the right hand on top or the left. I personally don't pay too much attention to that and simply go about it as it feels right. And sometimes the mudra feels off and then I simply switch hands. For me personally, it feels right and effortless to keep the hands suspended. If they rest on my lap or on a supporting cushion, I tend to use it as a base and start putting pressure on it by leaning forward. See for yourself what feels right for you, and by all means follow your own intuition. Either way, keep the elbows relaxed and close to the body, and let the arms hang loosely without forcing them back. This will happen automatically when the curve in the lower back is maintained and the sternum is lifted slightly.